You know, Adam, I'm over here in Phoenix, Arizona, and we have an enormous commercial real estate business here. One thing about this is I am producing a Business of Story masterclass that kicks off here in Phoenix on June 6th.
Okay.
It's an 8-week deliberate practice program, and the way it's functioned, it works beautifully. I do this with brands all around the world. I've had so many people say, can I come and attend one of those? That I finally decided to do a public course on this. We only have a limited number of seats for the cohort, but it's a half-day masterclass in person where we help them learn these 3 narrative frameworks. And then over the course of the next 7 weeks, every Monday they get a story assignment from me that they can apply in their business online, creating their content right there, using and applying these narrative frameworks. And then in week 8, we do a live Zoom session where I answer all questions. People share their stories, they share their victories, they share, what didn't work for them, and we bring it all full circle. And we're now doing something unique because I had so many people from around the country saying, I can't get out there. Are you going to do a Zoom session? I've decided that yes, we are going to do the live session here, but I will have it streaming live on Zoom too. So if you can't make it to Phoenix, you can still be a part of it and part of the entire cohort moving forward. So if you've got listeners, viewers out here in Phoenix or anywhere around the world that would like to learn more how to craft and tell compelling stories in the real estate investment business that actually sell, then send them to Business of Story and sign up for our Business of Story Masterclass. I promise to help them excel through the stories they tell.
That's just fantastic. Oh, you've totally sold me on that.
Well, yeah, sign up.